What's up YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. I'm D.I.Y with the vlogs, and today we'll be doing a Christmas tree DIY and more DIYs in general. First, we're going to start off with our little Christmas tree display. First one I got is these two containers. Both of these containers, I will be putting a tree in them and decorating it for Christmas. One of them says Dashing Through the Snow, and it has a little red truck, as you can see. The next one says Farm Fresh Christmas Trees. We're gonna start with the Farm Fresh Christmas tree. What I got to go in there is the snow blankets. You can get these from Dollar Tree. It came in huge size. I just cut it in half to fit both containers. I'm gonna put that on the bottom for the fake snow. It comes in this type of bag. Okay, let's get started with the first one. Base for our tree. We can set this down to the side for now. Set that down to the side. How about this also? This is wired garland ties. I'm going to use this to make my tree more fuller. Because if you've seen the trees this year, they're not as full. Let's get started with our tree. Okay, we have our tree right here. This is how it looks before adding the rest of the garland ties. We're going to add something to it. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a minute. Put it in between the pole, the center pole, push around one time at the bottom. There you have it. It's starting to look fuller already. Just want to continue the process all the way up to the top. You have a full looking tree within minutes. I'm going to have to stretch this out because I bought 2 trees for both containers. The closer you get to the top, the more spins you want to do around the trees. The stems. So I went around there twice. We're gonna go around one more time. Next step, we have the tree right here. This is the one with the garland. This is how it looks more fuller. I took the whole pack. I took the whole pack to use. I didn't know it was gonna take all of it, but took the whole pack to make it look fuller. This is how it looks. Okay, we're gonna set that to the side and we're gonna move on to our next part of the project. Remember that snow I told you about earlier? The one we cut in half? We're gonna cut a huge hole in the center of it. This is what it looks like. We're gonna cut a huge hole in the center, right in the center. Get your pair of shears or kitchen scissors, don't matter. Right in the center. Okay, we got our hole. Now we're gonna put the tree that we just made. Now we're gonna put the tree that we just did in the center of that hole, but we're gonna get our container. We're gonna get our container. After you finish cutting that hole in the center, we're gonna get our container. This is down below. Our Farm Fresh Christmas tree container. We're gonna place this over it. I'm gonna take these off just for a second, like that. Stick this right in between the middle, like so, like that. Put it back in. Stick it in, like that. Let the snow drape over it. Like that. It's coming together already. Put it right in the center, like that. Okay, next thing is the fun part. Next thing we're gonna put on the tree, I have this snow spray. This is what it looks like. It came from Dollar Tree. It is 2 ounces. This is what it looks like. We're gonna spray this on top. I always work from the top downwards because it looks like more snow is coming from the top and just falling down to the bottom of the tree. Makes it look more realistic and makes it look more natural. Following with that, before it dries, I'm going to add this false snow to give it a glistening snow effect. Got this also from Dollar Tree. It glistens. We're going to see how that goes. Okay, we're going to start now. Take it up. Let me open this up first. I can easily just pour it onto it. Ooh, messy. Okay, we're going to spray. I want to make it look as realistic as possible. Put more at the top and make it look like the snow has just fallen. Before it dries, pour this on there, give it that glistening effect. I didn't use a lot, we're gonna add a little bit more. This will work better if you have some spray adhesive. Dollar Tree sells spray adhesive spray too. It's in a can like this, but it's smaller. You can spray that as well. Next item we're going to do is a white Christmas tree. Of course, this is not going to be as full as the green one because I had to add extra garlands to it. But we have this white Christmas tree. I got some Dollar Tree also. They have more of these than they have the green ones this year, surprisingly. And we have the rest of the fake snow I told you we couldn't have. The hole's already in the middle. We're going to do the same exact thing. But instead of adding white garland, we're going to add silver. I feel like that would be a nice touch. We're going to see how that looks. Silver garland. This is what it comes out to look like when it comes out the box. This one looks more, what's the word? Better quality than the green one. It's not like an all-white, it's just white. We're gonna start from the bottom and work our way up to the top. Okay, finish building the base to the tree. We're gonna start adding our garlands. We're gonna do the same one just like we did to that green one. This was some more thinner. Twist. One down. Keep going till we pull the tree. Make it fuller. Then around that pole in the middle. Like so, like that. Okay, I'm finally done, and this is what it looks like after I added the silver to it. It looks more elegant. This is what it looks like after I added all the silver to it. After that, we're gonna do like I did before. Take this bottom piece off. Get our handy dandy container. Put the snow. Smack dab in the middle of it. Stick this between the hole we made earlier. Right here. Put that little bottom piece back on it so it can stand up on the bottom of the box. Like so, like that. Let the snow kind of drape down in there like that. You can always add some fake snow to it. Fake present ornaments. Dollar Tree says those in their Christmas aisle. This is what it looks like. Dashing through the snow. Okay, last final thing, I have this second Christmas tree I bought from Dollar Tree. You see how it looks without filling it up with garlands? I was gonna use that same pack, but it took one pack to do that one tree. It was just that bare. But this is how it looks. But if you want to do that, you can also buy your lights from Dollar Tree. They have LED lights. Right here. They're 10 lights, lumen, whatever you call them. They require AA batteries. This is what they look like. Right about. This is what they look like. They come in an assortment of colors. They had all types of ones. The clear ones, the green ones. I got the green ones to blend in more with the tree. Okay, let's get started. Start from the top. Don't ask me how to do this. Go around, slant it, going downwards. This should be easy because the tree is that bare. Probably require 2 packs for this one tree of batteries. Of lights. You can always double the trees up and put them in the containers. I think they look better double. But I did it the quick way and did one. This is what it looks like with the lights off. There you have it. 3 Christmas tree ideas to put in your house, make your house look more decadent and Christmas spirit. Have a white tree right here. A green tree with the fake snow glistening with the Farm Fresh Christmas tree container dashing through the snow. And in the back we have our basic Christmas tree with lights. For future Christmas DIYs or DIYs in general, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified whenever I post. Thank you for watching and bye.